Goodleigh Hill CL site. Member of the Caravan and Motorhome Club. Very nice entrance. You have to take a swing just to get lined up. It is a bit of an angle, but you can't really miss the side once you get into the entrance. Entrance by code, so it's very secure. And then you get the site. And then once you're into the site, quite a big site, nice meadow with a dog walk. At the moment there's only 3 of us on. Yesterday it was full. Very nicely set out. We're trying to grow all this so with all the flowers, so you get like a meadow now with all the different flowers. There we are. And the end, pitch 5. I think Jessie's asleep. Yeah. Nice walk round the meadow and through the middle of the meadow. Not many flowers out. Going to Emily who runs the place. Not as many as you hope for, but there's still time for them all to come out. Pathways down the cut down the middle and round the side. Walk right round the side of it. Dog walkers are asked to pick up after the dogs. Short walk for the people. It is an adults only site. All pitches are fully serviced apart from the drains at the moment. That's been sorted, I'm told. Yeah. Very nice site. I believe it won Best Newcomer 2020. Yeah. Very good. It's a nice walk down into Pershore through the bottom gate. The proper path being made to go through there. Save having to walk down the main road. Yeah, especially on a summer's day, very nice. If you'd like to see more of our videos, why not hit the like and subscribe button? It's free and it does help the channel grow. It's one of the path that leads from the Goodleigh Hill CL site. We're just having a stroll around just to get a bearing because we've only just arrived. So we just have to wander around, get bearings for the villages, what else is around here, and then we'll do more tomorrow. But this nice path through the woods, which takes you down to the Avon, I believe, down at the bottom here somewhere. So we should be good. Jesse's enjoying it. 7 or 8 minute walk from the CL. You come to the River Avon, I believe. You come down and have a picnic on a nice day. It's yeah. Jack, come here. Stand still. Oh yes. Nice having a picnic down here. It's a nice day. Come on, babe. This is what, 5-10 minutes from the CL, if that. This is instead of walking or along the road bridge. Walk underneath it from the last path that we're on, And then you come to this bridge, which takes you over the river. And there's another walk down there by the look of it, wherever. But we'll have to have a look at that another day, because we've only just arrived, so it's just a quick walk. So, but up to now, this looked very pleasant. Over the river, which is the River Avon, as far as I remember. I'm just going into Pershore, which I'm talking about 10 minutes or so from the hill. We'll see. Pershore. Pershore High Street, quite busy. Pershore Marketplace. Stand still. Good girl. Yeah, looks like quite a few shops down there. We'll have a better look tomorrow. So we're just having a wander around, see what it's like. It's about 10-15 minutes in. Let's take a little walk. Now wander around. Might go to Pershore Abbey, I believe it's an abbey. So we might have a walk into there. Over there, does it? Quite nice houses around here. Star pub across the road, which we went to yesterday. Good meals, and you can sit by the river. You can take them down by the river. You go through the car park. So yeah, the star in across the road there. Riverside car park. Nice meals. Nice view when you get down the river, to the river. So yeah, it's quite good. Even better when it's a nice sunny day like today. It is a little early, it's 9:30. And we like to get out before it gets 2 o'clock. It's said it's going to be about 23 today, so we don't want to be out too long with Jess. Or me for that matter. Miller's Arms says we are dog friendly. You got treats, beds, everything your dog needs. So you'll get a find while you're there. Coffee shop. I believe this is dog friendly as well. So around this way, we're heading towards Abbey, which is over in that direction. This is the market square. Where are we going? Royal Arcade, pet shop, fishing bait. There's 1 or 2 shops down here. We will we'll go to the main road later. Let's make sure it's in no dog. Yeah, keep dogs on leash, so we're alright. Come on then. Nice ground. This is Pershore Abbey. Very nice. Dogs are allowed in, but we had to come up because there's going to be a service in a few minutes, so we had a quick wander around, but it'd be worth visiting again. If you get a chance, beautiful stained glass windows. Be interested to know just how big it was, because you can see where there used to be extensions on the side and on the front here. The story of the Abbey and Park. Interesting. It's a very big park area where the Abbey is. I don't know whether they have summer entertainment in it or not, but it's a very large park. If this video jiggles a bit, because Jessie decides to go one way and I'm going the other. Morning. I don't know if you can tell the actual size of this place on the video. It is really a big place. And the Abbey in the background there. Really? There's quite a few shops on the main street here. Got a couple of bakers. 1, 2, 3 or 4 cafes of different kinds, shall we say. A little bit of history. World War II defences, in case the Panzers came. And they managed to get this far inland. You see, they still got them on the bridge. They said it should be the old bridge. And they still got them on the bridge. Cube, pimples, coffins, and the roll. Just not interested at all. This is about 5-10 minutes from the seal. Really nice views. Sable fishing on that end. And you can only fish up to about here because it's a mooring as well, so you have to be careful if you're mooring. The guy paddleboarding down there. But we're just going to have a sit down and a snack. Oh, Jess. Jess? The site is well signposted. It's about 150 yards up the hill on your right hand side. You have to take a bit of a swing to get in because it's at an angle, but it's a very good entrance otherwise. And this is the gate just here that takes you up into the after you've had a walk. I've just been into Pershore and walked up the path going back at the campsite. Walk on the grass because it's that's for Jessie's part. So we'll walk on the grass. Looks like a couple have gone or one gone. We're by ourselves. No, we're not. We're at the top. This way. Yeah, there's 1 or 2, oh, 3 of us left. So 2's gone. So just a quick thank you to Emily, who runs the site with her father, for the voucher for 2 nights stay. She donated for Robin Lynn's race against dementia. Thank you very much. I'm sure whoever won it will enjoy it. We're just about to leave Goodleigh Hill CL in Pershore. We're heading back up north. Where we're going we're not sure, but we'll let you know when we get there. Speak to you soon.